Hi.
May I help you?
I was hoping you could take me through the specs of this new product.
Absolutely, ma'am. My name is Vihansh. IFB has reinvented the refrigerator with the extraordinary technology E-Tech. Makes life easy for today and tomorrow. Extraordinary space, extraordinary cooling, and extraordinary convenience.
Really? What's there in this refrigerator that other brands don't have?
Ma'am, IFB has brought in features that no one else has ever thought of in the refrigerator category. Allow me to explain. IFB refrigerators are powered by E-Tech and are front runners in space, cooling, and convenience. When it comes to space, the refrigerator further offers a height advantage of up to 170 mm without compromising on width. Our first in segment 2+1 shelf design offers ultra-organized and spacious storage, perfect for accommodating Indian vessels. A bigger veggie crisper of 17 to 20 liters with honeycomb lid and humidity control that preserves and maintains freshness for a longer period. Extra bottle cooling space on the door with room for 3 2.25 liter bottles. And detachable accessories like pedestal for storing potatoes and onions and nudge tag to reduce food wastage. These accessories make our product more than just a refrigerator. Interestingly, when it comes to cooling, it has some really cool innovations. For instance, it is India's first convertible DC with ConvertiCool technology and copper boost. In case of heavy load, you can simply direct additional flow of air to the refrigerator section and enjoy powerful cooling across the refrigerator. Which means you can now easily adjust cooling with dual control as per your requirement and get healthy flow of air across the refrigerator. And also the insulation has 65 mm thickness for better cooling retention.
So that means if there's more food, it can adjust the cooling accordingly, right?
Absolutely, ma'am. And not just this, you even get metal-infused ice trays for fastest ice making for all those impromptu parties and get-togethers. So that was all about space and cooling. Let's talk about convenience. We all know what a hassle it is to defrost your fridge. There is no way to avoid water spillage. We have all been there. With our direct cooled refrigerators, you get a drain water container of 3.2 liters. IFB refrigerators give the biggest capacity for your convenience. The brand also offers the most interesting and the new age accessory. It's called a nudge tag. The nudge tag does not let your food get spoiled.
How does it work? I've never heard of this before.
So now you can tag the food items and set the expiration date on it. Every time a food item is about to go bad, it will notify you. So you can save all the food from getting wasted. But that's not all. IFB also comes with a smart camera that sends you photos of the contents inside the refrigerator with the help of My IFB app. So during those instances, when you're out of your home, you can monitor your stock.
Wow, this is great. It really understands what I need. How quickly can you deliver this to my home? I really can't wait to get one.
May I know your home address, ma'am?